Hey you guys, I'm Casey and welcome to my YouTube channel and also my bed. I forgot to film a little intro for this video and while I was editing it, I was like, I gotta film an intro. So that's what this is. A little passion project I started this year was doll collecting. Specifically, this video is going to be about some Monster High dolls that I have bought online. I actually wasn't allowed to have Monster High dolls when I was little. Now that I've begun collecting them and stuff, I want to document and share my enjoyment on YouTube, of course. And hopefully other people out there enjoy watching me unbox these dolls. Honestly, been really healing to my inner child, as silly as it sounds. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this different little video from me. Without saying too much more, here we go. Hey you guys, it is another day. I'm on the floor now because I have this big box to open. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this one for weeks. Not really, maybe like a week. But this little one I've been waiting for a couple weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Let's see. Uh-oh. I almost cut my sweater. I would have cried. Who could it be? Okay. Oh my, look at her. Oh my God. Can you see her? Oh, look how cute she is. This is Casta Fierce. Her chest plate and her dress. Look at these shoes. She has all her little bracelets, her earrings. The girl even sent me a stand, which is great because I don't have that many stands. She also came with her microphone and her little stand, which is awesome. Try to keep the bubble wrap and stuff, especially for when I'm shipping stuff from Depop and whatnot. Now, time to get into this big boy. Always good stuff to get. Ooh, okay, so this is a little Monster High purse, I guess. And what is in here? No freaking way. A freaking Monster High puzzle. Okay, that's cute. I didn't know that was going to be in here. Oh my gosh. So here they are. So a lot of them don't have the right clothing or whatever. I think this is like Sweet Screams Frankie or something. I don't know, but look at that red in her hair. Oh wow, she's so pretty. Okay, cool. This is one of the dolls I was excited to get. It is this Cleo the Nile, Dawn of the Dance. She definitely needs her hairbrush, but the other crazy thing is she's one with the elastic in her legs. So I am gonna be careful with her. Look at that base makeup. Wow. Oh, here's one I'm excited to have. And I think this is the Thumbbarella version of Frankie. She's so cute. She has her dress, her shoes, her hair definitely needs to be restyled. She has her earring. Oh, but here's another one I'm excited to get. It is the Sarah Screams dressed as Torlai, and she's perfect. She has her little headband, her little belt, and the tail. Oh, she is so cute. I don't have her yet. This is a Rebecca Steams. Oh wow, she's so cool. She has these things on her. Wow, her hair is really nice. A lot of the times the Monster High's hair is really nasty, but her hair is super nice. One of the little pets, I believe this is Claude's pet. Ooh, and here is another little Laguna. She's so cute. She's got a little like headband in her hair. She has these cute earrings. This is another one with elastic. Wow. These ones are old, guys. Oh my gosh, there's like a ton of furniture in here. I didn't know he was gonna send me all this furniture, but I'm so happy he did. It's so cool. That's okay. Oop, here's another one I'm really excited to have, and it is the Dead Tired Claudine. I don't have that many Claudines either, so that is exciting to have. Oop, here's another one I'm excited to have, and I actually don't have any Spectras. Wow, she's so cool with the clear legs and hands. Wow, here's another one I'm excited to have. This is Ari Huntington or something. She's got her bracelet, she has a little belt, her shoes, her hair isn't too gross. Wow, she's a really pretty doll. Ah, look at her. Oh my God. So yeah, her hair definitely, oh, she don't even have a rubber band. I love her little outfit. She's got her cute little shoes. Oh, she's adorable. And another one I'm really excited to have is this Claudine that is dressed as like a baseball player or whatever. She even has her little earrings. Anyway, this is another one I'm excited to have, and this is one of the School Shores or Gloom Beach Frankies, but the black and white version. There is this like waxy purple stuff on some of them. I don't know why, that's kind of weird. Anyway. And here is this Frankie. Oh my God, she's so cute. Her little earrings are so cute. Here's another Spectra. She has these cute little things on her wrist. She has a cute little dress. She has these cool like chain details on her hand. I feel like I like this Spectra more than the other one. The next one, and there's actually two of these ones. It is the Venus and Claudine Freaky Fusion doll. I really like the Freaky Fusion dolls. They're so different. They're so unique. I love her little ears. They're kind of like leafy patterned. And last but not least is, I believe, just a basic Jane Doolittle. Again, the hair is, she's such a cute doll. I really do like the Jane Doolittle dolls. And here is this little gargoyle thing. I think this goes to like one of the school play sets or something. First thing is Draculaura's little vanity. I really don't have any Monster High furniture, so this is exciting to have a few little pieces now. What is the next thing? This chalkboard. I think this is one of the Scaris suitcases. There's another little table. Ooh, here's a fun little desk chair. Never seen a Monster High desk chair like this. Then I believe I have Frankie's desk and chair. These are cool. Wow, there's so much detail on here. Then, oh, a couple diaries. These are always cute to have. So here's a Frankie one. And then last but not least is this cute little tin lunchbox. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox those, and hopefully the next clip is me unboxing more. Hey, you guys, so I have another box to open for you, and it's another pretty big one. I'm pretty excited. They packaged this pretty horribly though, so I hope everything's still in here. The first thing I see, and it's honestly the whole reason I bought this, is for this doll, Serena Von Boo. She is a member of the like Freaky Fusions clan or whatever, and I have the other three, but I didn't have her, so I needed her, and now I have her. The next doll I have for you guys is Viperine Gorgon. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Damn, that's weird. That's weird. She has a hole in her head. That's an exciting character to add to the collection. Is another Jane Doolittle. I have the Ghouls Getaway version of her where she has blue hair, and I really like the blue hair on her, but it definitely makes her like purple skin look lighter and washed out. Next doll I have for you guys is one of the Werecat sisters. I don't have either of them, so I'm really excited to have one. They're so expensive online. It's crazy how much people are charging. Hopefully I find the other one for a decent price or another set of them so I have her right outfit. But honestly, I really like this outfit on her. So like a little random doll I have in here is this like old Barbie doll. Her top is super cool. The next doll I have is this Ghoulia roller skating doll. I don't really have that many Ghoulias, so I'm excited to have another one. I really like the green in her hair with the blue. I feel like that's really different. And I do have her little knee pads. It also came with a bunch of accessories. This is one bag. There is a bunch of like Rebecca's accessories that I'm excited to have since I just got that Rebecca. And she doesn't have her clothes or anything. Yeah, I might just do a little overview of all the accessories instead of showing you guys. But there's so many cool ones, so many cute little purses, shoes, this fish. I don't know what this goes to. And last but not least, what I have to show you guys is Spectra's little DJ set. Here's the little chair. Oh my gosh, it's so big. It's a lot bigger than I imagined it would be. Now I just want to get the Desert Oasis little pool play set so I can put it in the back. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today's haul. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video because I do have a couple more packages. Hey you guys, so I think this is going to be the last package opening part of this video. I finally got my last few packages in the mail and I'm ready to open them. Go ahead and unopen this bad boy. Oh, I guess it must have broke off in the mail or something. That sucks. Oh my god, look at this doll. She is so freaking cute. So she actually goes to a like stand thing. A little disappointed that the packaging was just kind of shitty and this piece broke off. Kind of paid up for this one because she was like in perfect condition. It's okay because I still have it and I'm just gonna super glue it back on there. Oh, that's so cool. I think this one, it's just going to be her little guitar. That also goes with the flotation station or whatever. Not separately because again, I didn't find it when I found the stand. This last box, yay. Oh, okay. Is just furniture for my Monster High castle playset. This was one of the pieces I was missing. Oh, and I needed this. Oh yeah, that is so cute. Finally, they'll have somewhere to sit. And this chair. I think this is going to be the last little unboxing I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me open up my recent Monster High purchases. Honestly spent probably too much money this last month on them. I did find some really good deals and I couldn't pass them up. Let me know which part of the video was your favorite, which doll that I unboxed was the most exciting for you, whatever. If you liked watching this video, let me know. I'm open to any and all feedback. And if you have any idea where I can find good deals on Monster High dolls, let me know because it's honestly crazy how much they are selling for online. It's nuts. But I guess I get the hype and I respect the hustle. So, but yep, until the next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.